Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to use Taplink for beginners. The first thing you need to do is you go to taplink.at and it will bring you to their website. This is the website for Taplink. Now you click here that says get started for free. Taplink is a free app that you can use to create a landing page. Just like the way you use Linktree to create a landing page, the way you use system.io to create a landing page, that's exactly how you can use Taplink to create a landing page. Landing pages that you can use to promote your affiliate links. You can put all your affiliate links into Taplink and you share Taplink to your social media platforms like started. First step, you click on here that says get started for free. Here and see. Right. It's taking that Gmail that I just added. So I'm going to create a password here. So I'm creating a password. So you just type in your password and you repeat the password. You click here that says to confirm. You just confirm that you've read and agreed to the terms and conditions of Taplink. Then you click on continue. Right, it will bring you to this particular page. Here you said you have a basic rate plan. So if you want to change your plan from basic to the paid plan, this is where you will click to change your rate plan. But for the benefit of this tutorial, we're going to go with the basic plan, which is the free plan. Remember, that was what we clicked on to sign up. So you get here, there are already made templates for you that you can use. But I'm going to create my own template. So what do? You click here that says empty template. So when you click on it, you have the platform to create your own template the way you want it. So it's giving you prompt on how to do this. It says you can change places of the blocks. To do this, drag the block you need. So this is where you're going to click in here. You click on it to drag to move the position of the blocks that you've created. Now it says to edit a block, just click on it. So it said to add a new block, click here. You say add block. So this one, get the link for your website and share on social media by clicking on this. This looks so good. Now let's go on and start creating. So we want to choose a profile picture. So let's click on picture. You can add an avatar, or I'm gonna click on upload image to add image. Let me see the profile picture I'm gonna add. Let me go a bit and look for picture. um, Profile picture, I've seen this one. Let me see what it is. Right, so I'm happy with this profile picture. So you see, I've got the profile picture. So what am I gonna do? Let me click on upload image. That is, if you want to change that image, you click on that, but I'm happy with that, so I'm not doing that. You can change this profile image to avatar size. So let's check the sizes they have. You see, the more you click on this, the bigger it gets. So it depends on the size you want it. I think I should go with the second size. This one is just perfect. That's the size I want. That's medium, 95 by 95. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to click on Save Changes. Now we have our profile picture. We have to start designing the template there. the Taplink inside itself. So right, so up here, statistics, leads, design, add-ons, settings. So let's go to design and start designing. We'll select the design that we want. So you just come over here, anyone, you can click on this one to view, you click on this to edit, you click on that. So let's see which design we want. Right, so let's say we go for this design. It kind of look cool. You can actually check more. Then so we can edit custom design available with pro rate. Okay, that's fine. We don't have a pro rate, so let's just go ahead and take the design. Yeah, that's the design. Let's choose it. If you don't want it, you click on discard. If you want it, you click on choose. So we choose the design. Let's see. So we chose that design. Let's see, profile. Let's open it and see. Okay, that's the way it's looking. We're gonna start adding blocks now. How do you add blocks? We click on this. See here, click on that. So we can add text, we can add link. All this, we can add avatar, media and text, frequently asked questions, all this. But the only one you can use are the ones that are not written pro. All these ones that are written pro, they are they are the paid version. You cannot use those ones. So we have 6 options here. We have 6 options here. So let's say we want to add a text to that. Let's click on text, and then you type in text here, your text here. Let's say you want to add welcome to my page. Yeah, so let's say this is the text you want to add. Here you can change this, the text size, whether small, medium, or large. You can change the font here. You select the font that you want here. There are so many fonts you can choose from. Let's check this one. You see, any one you like. That one looks pretty good. This one looks so tiny. So you just select, move, just check around and select the font that you like. Let me see. Let's check this one. Right, this one is cool. So I'm gonna leave it here. Here, if you want to change the way the letters appear, you do that. If you want to bold it, you click on bold to bold the text you've written. If you want to italize it, you click on that, underline and all this. So you just play around, and when you are done, you click on save changes. Now the settings here, let's check. Settings here, if you want to hide the block, you say yes, but we don't want to hide the block. Vertical indent, you select set block name. You see, show according to schedule. All this here, these two here are for pro users, so we don't have access to this. Now let's go back to our content. Right, so we've done this and we're happy with it. We click on save changes. Right, see, we've changed this, we've done this. Now let's check the section. Let's set this section. The general top padding, you can actually increase it. Okay, I hope it's not bottom padding, edge indent. We haven't done the background color. This one is for people that got the pro. That's one thing with all these sites, they tell you it's free, but you're kind of limited. Yes, you're kind of limited. So, I mean, if what you need is just to add your link, move your link around, add a text, that's it. That's okay. Right, so let's go ahead and click on Save Changes. Now we're gonna start adding blocks. The block we've added text. Now we're gonna add link. So what links are you going to add? You're going to add your product link here. Let me go and get any product link. And I have product links I've saved. If I can find any product link inside of my notepad. Right, that's not it. Let's see this one. Right, this is a product link here. I'm gonna copy this. I saved it in my notepad. So when you go to any of your site like Digistore24, when you go to Amazon affiliate link site, if you find any product you like, you can actually copy the link and save the link. Now you come to your Taplink and you paste that link. So let's copy this one. I'll use it to show you what I mean. So I copied it. I'm gonna go back to the Taplink site. Now this is where I'm supposed to paste that link. So I click and I paste the link there. You can see now the website is asking for website. Right, so I leave it at website because that product link is from a website. So link text, what does this mean? This means the name of that product. You see, you can say click here, click here, click here to see the product, right? You got subtitle here. If you want to add subtitle, it's up to you. Let's click on Save Changes. You see, this is the link we've added. Now, if we want to move this, let's say we want to move it to be on top the welcome to my page, you just click on that. If you want it to be on top the profile picture, you just move it up. That's the way you can move it up, down. But for it to look nice, the profile picture should be up. Then followed by your welcome to my page then, and now followed by you adding links. See this link we've added? If we click on it, yeah, we can design this link. Let's go to design here. So design, we can add animation, we can add a headline title to that link. All right, so here we can add a headline, we can add animation. Do you want to add animation? Let's say yes and add animation. There are different types of animation you can add here: tada, shake, wobble, let's say blink. If you can see the way, just watch here that says headline subtitle. That's where the animation will take place. I'll click on this one. Did you see the way it vibrated? I click on shake. Why? So different. That's the rubber one. So let's select that and click on Save Changes. You can see the way it's working there. Now we are not done. Let's go back and see the settings we can add to this. Open a new window. Do you want to say yes? You can say yes. Hide block. We don't want to hide the block. Vertical indent. Set block name. We can set a name for that block. So what name are we giving to that block? We can say affiliate link. or we can call it the name of that product, but let's just say affiliate link. So we've said that show according to schedule. That's for pro, people that got pro accounts. So vertical indent, let's click on that. So tap top padding, you can move it around, you can increase the top padding or you can decrease it. It depends on what you want. Then this one is the bottom padding. You can increase it or you can decrease it, set it where you want. Right, so I think we are good with this. So we're gonna go ahead and click on save changes and see how it is. Right, you can see what we've done. So if you want to add more blocks, you just click on this and you add more blocks. You see, you can add more links to it. So as many links as you add, that's just it. If you want to add question, frequently asked questions, you click on frequently asked questions and you ask the question and an answer. You see, if you want to say, would you say, yes, I would be, yes, I would be buying the product. Right, so let's say that's the question we've added. Would you be buying this product? That's the question. And here is the answer. Let's click on Save Changes. Right, you can see the question is there. You see the question? Right, so we can actually design this question as well. You see, you can put location, you can put indicator, you can change the font of the question you've asked, change color, change that of the answer as well. You can put the color to, let's put it to blue, then the answer will be a different color to this one. Right, background, we can change the background to, let's say, let me check the color. So you can just play around here, you know, just Taplink is so good, you can just play around with everything, you know. Show separators. So let's click on save changes. You can see all what we applied. Would you be buying this product? You can see everything we've done is there. And right, so if you want to add another block, if you want this question to come before the product link, you can do that. All you need is just move this up to this place. You see what I mean? You just move it up. This one, I want to check and make it like this so that it will be in the middle. Can you see? And yeah. Oh, this welcome, I didn't type it properly. Welcome to my page. Let me see. Right, it's looking good now. So it's in the middle, you know, you can put it in the middle on the left side, right side, and all that, or you can change it to this, you see. But I like that it's in the middle. This one is best. So I click on Save Changes. I click on that. Great, it's in the middle now, you see. I'm happy with that. So let's click on, you remember you can add as many blocks as possible. The blocks can be either text or your product link or divider or avatar or media and text or frequently asked questions, but majorly people use Taplink for product links, you know, or your website link. You can actually add your website link. You can copy your TikTok page and paste it into your Taplink and it will be shown there as well. So let's add another block here. Let's add another block. We'll click on add block. Let's add another link, product link, of course. So we're gonna go and copy product link. Let's go back. Let me open file here and see any other product I can get. Okay, so let me get this ClickBank link. Right, so I'm gonna highlight and copy it. Right, that's ClickBank link I saved. So I'm gonna copy and then go back and paste it here. Paste it here. Right, so this is a website. Remember, that's the website. And then you can put the name of the product. What's the name of that product? Let's have a look. Okay, well, let's just put ClickBank. Just go ahead and put ClickBank. Let's see, ClickBank. Right, subtitle, we don't need any subtitle, we are good with this. So design, let's click on design. You can add, let's add animation to it. Remember, each link you add, you have to do this. If you want, you can't just add one animation to one link and you assume that it will go across every link that you added. No, because they assume that this particular one you might not want animation, so you have to manually add the animation. So let's go with this bubble. Okay, wobble. You see the way it wobbled when I clicked on it. Let's check heartbeat. That's heartbeat. I like the wobble one. It kind of look cool. But if you don't want animation, it's always on default, which is no. So if you want animation, you change the animation. You can actually click here to get, you see, this wobble. Where do you want it? Do you want it to be from the header color? Right, that's the wobble there. You can see if you click here, it gives you all the animation. So the color, which color would you like it? I'm gonna select this. Subtitle, we didn't add any subtitle. So background color, what background color do you want? You see the header one, the header color, you see it there. Now the background, because the background is looking so dark for the header that we've selected. So you have to, as you're changing the colors, changing the background, you have to be taking notes here because this is the way it will appear when you are done. So let's select this for background. Yeah, it's looking better. You see, it's looking better. Can you see? Right. So you can change the transparency. You can make it more or less transparent. You can see as I'm dragging this, it's becoming more transparent. As I'm dragging that. Now the border, you can increase the border to be thicker or smaller. If you want the border to be thicker, you click on this plus here to make the border thicker. If you want the border to be smaller, you click on the minus. As you're clicking on the minus, the border is reducing. You see, there's no more border. So let me add a little bit of border to this. It kind of look cool. Yeah, shadow. If you want shadow, you can actually, here the shadow is blurred. Here you can see, you can see, or if you don't want it, if you want this, if you want it to be blurred, you see, you just play around with it. Look for the design the way you like it. You can see as I'm clicking it, look the up, the way the shadow is increasing and decreasing. Now this one will be for the downside. You see the shadow both ways, the four sides. Yeah, is spreading both ways. Now the border color, transparency, you can reduce or you can increase the transparency color of the border, you see. So when you are done your design, you just click on save changes. these are the two links we've added. You see this one, click here to see the products. This one's ClickBank. You can add any name to it. So this is how to create your landing page using Taplink. Yeah, so let's done. Let's check here. Right, this will be shown on, this is the way it will appear on your phone if somebody is using the phone to check out this, and this is the way it will appear on desktop. So you have to be sure that it's looking good before you publish. You see, you really have to be sure. If somebody is using the desktop to check out this is the way it will appear. If somebody is using the phone, this is the way it will appear. It looks good. So what do we do next? We're gonna go ahead and publish this. Remember, you can add as many links as you want. As many links as you want. View mode, let's view the mode. That's the way it is. You see, that's the way it's looking good. Remember, you can add a link, you can add a block without adding animation to it. But animation it makes it look good, it makes it pop out. And this background color here, you can also change it if you want. So you can edit the mode here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and publish this. Enter the website address. So now you're gonna add your website address here, the username that you want. That's what you're gonna add. But if you have your own domain name, like people that already have their website, you just use that your website name as your website. But here you have the option here to choose a domain name. So what name do you want to choose? Then you type it in here. Let's say daily dose. So I'm gonna use daily dose insight, because that's right. So let's connect. Right, data successfully saved. Now you've created your tap link. You can now copy your link. Can you see your website URL? This is a website you just created, free of charge. You just done it on your own. So you can share this by copying the link, or you share it directly to Instagram, or share directly to TikTok or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. So it is so good. You can share to any of your social media platform, or you copy the link here. So when you copy the link here, let's copy the link here, and I will go to, where am I going to paste it? Let me go to Instagram and paste this link. I copy it. Oh, Instagram, I need to go to mobile phone to paste it. Right. Subscribe to this YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Do me a favor and like this video so that YouTube will push it for more people to see. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe.